Hi, I'm Mike from the Diamond Pro,
And I'm Jenny from the Diamond Pro.
and today we'll be talking about clean origin diamonds. In the last few years, we've seen an increase in demand for lab-grown diamonds, and with that, we've seen an increase in emails from our readers asking whether lab-grown diamonds are a good idea to purchase, and if so, where they should get them from.
And the name that keeps popping up is Clean Origin.
So we decided to put them to the test. Like many other retailers, we decided to secret shop them. I'm going to go through their website and see how it is for a consumer to use their website and purchase a diamond from there.
And I had the pleasure of receiving the package and actually trying on their beautiful ring and bracelet that they sent us.
So here you're going to have our unboxing video for Clean Origin. I hope you enjoy.
Enjoy!
Let's start by looking at Clean Origin's homepage. It's a very modern, clean look that is typical of all the better online retailers nowadays. And it's very clear what you need to do. I mean, you have all these drop-down menus, but here you can just look for Shop for Diamonds or Shop Settings. So we're going to open up the diamond search, and it already has the filters that I used for the secret shopping. I was looking for a 1 carat HVS2 diamond, and they give you all the filters that you need. They even have a couple of extras there. And looking down here, let's just open up the first diamond. It's very clear, easy to use. They have all the information you need. They show you the depth percentage. They don't show you all the different parameters, but you can always open up the certificate, and here you'll see a copy of the certificate and get all the information that you can use. The one criticism that I have is the fact that they don't have the video or image of the diamond on the page. That is a sample image. You have to go to the tab on the left here and click 360 degrees. And here you have the diamond, and you can see that it's a beautiful diamond. This isn't the exact diamond I used for the secret shopping. We already have that one in the office, but this is a similar diamond. So it's a beautiful choice. You can see that, as I said, the only criticism is that I wish that image was on the page so you have that information all in one place to make your decision. And it's a very simple process. You quickly just add to a ring, and then you go and you select the setting style that you like. For our secret shopping, we went with this classic pave setting. They call it the Sena. I believe that's how you pronounce it. So overall, the shopping experience is very clean, very easy, and on par with all the companies that we recommend. Here's the packaging that the Clean Origin ring comes in. I'm a bit underwhelmed by the packaging itself. It's not of the same quality that we've seen from other companies. That is primarily because of two things. First is that it's made of recyclable materials, which is great, and that fits more in line with the consumers that Clean Origin is targeting. And the other reason is that lab-grown diamonds are cheaper than natural diamonds, and the average purchase is significantly less. So obviously, the packaging is going to be a little cheaper. Thank you very much, Jenny, for the use of your hands. They look a lot better in the video than mine would, and I'm pretty sure the ring is going to fit better on it. Here you have the documentation. That was the invoice. And what's left here is the certificate from IGI. It usually comes in, yeah, there we go. There's two pieces. We have the short certificate right here that has the basic information. And here is the longer form, which also has the inclusion plot that you can see there, the little diagram. And this is how you would match up the diamond to the certificate. And it gives you peace of mind that you're getting the diamond that you actually selected. So we already went over. It's a beautiful diamond, a 154 HVS2. And here we have the box, which is beautiful. I really like the deep blue color. It goes in line with Clean Origin's branding in general, and it's just a really lovely color. It's a standard ring box, one that you would probably keep instead of getting a different one to store your ring. And here is the actual ring, and it looks fantastic in there. You can see even in the box, you're getting a lot of sparkle off of the diamond. It's a beautiful ring. We really, really like the way it looks. I mean, you can see that the diamond is clear, it's bright. It's just a fantastic diamond, and I love it. I think it was an excellent choice, and it really, what I saw on their website matches up to what I'm seeing here. It was just the right choice for this ring. So now we're going to try it on, and it really does fit perfectly. We really like the way it slides onto the hand. It's a comfortable setting, and it just looks fantastic. You're seeing an incredible amount of sparkle coming from the diamond when it was in the box, and now you're seeing even more when it's on the hand. As you're moving around, you're getting every refraction of light, and it just really they did a fantastic job setting that diamond, and it's just a beautiful diamond. The ring itself is also really nice. You can see here, it's just absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship was superb on the ring. They did an excellent job setting those little pave diamonds. All of them were secure. The center diamond is also just stunning there, and we absolutely love it. Just a great job by Clean Origin. We also purchased a tennis bracelet from Clean Origin, and we wanted to see how that came out. And you can see here, it's absolutely gorgeous. There's a nice shine to the bracelet. There's a lot of sparkle, and it's really beautiful. Nice little understated bracelets. It's not particularly large diamonds, but it's still a very nice piece of jewelry. The clasp is very easy to use and secure. You can see it here. It looks great. It's a little big on Jenny, but it's a beautiful, beautiful bracelet. You can see the sparkle from every angle here. It's just absolutely great. And it matches Jenny's fingernail polish perfectly. So I hope you found that video to be informative. If you have any other questions or need help purchasing a diamond or diamond jewelry, don't hesitate to reach out to us at the Diamond Pro.
Yeah, me and my colleagues will be happy to help you.
All right, take care.
Cheers.